Girlfriend.
Yeah, finally I see. Yesterday I watch your video.
Oh, thank you, Jaden.
I'm your fan.
Oh, I am your fan too.
Oh,
진짜.
janji fan tu.
진짜 좋아.
Sabar lah, Mal. Jangan dekat-dekat aku. Malu ni. Jaden.
Yeah,
I can sing one Korea song.
you can sing Korean song. Oh,
Yeah, very fluently. You will be shocked if I sing the song.
can you song for us?
Okay, sing.
Okay. 미안해 하지마 너나 시시샤나 어나 샤뿌리시고 허르시시보
Really so good, fantastic lah.
Cantik kawan. Cantik Mal, kawan kau kecil kau Mal.
no 같이.
Jaden, I'm kidding. Sorry Jaden.
I know. It's okay.
But
I need
it's-
popcorn now.
Yeah, it's really good, right, Jaden?
Really so
When she
good.
sing, you know, the voice is giving everything, you know. It's like wow.
Yeah,
Oh.
can feeling.
Kawan kau sama-sama kaki kencing.
And goosebumps now.
Yeah, goosebump.
아 진짜.
I better not singing, right? I better shut up, right?
No.
You said we're not. Wait. I wanna. Wait.
와. Nice to meet you.
Jaden, where's your girlfriend?
나?
Where's your girlfriend?
My girlfriend.
Oh, you single?
Can I invite my? Can I invite?
Sure, can.
Okay. Where is my?
Kenapa kau off tadi? Tiba-tiba off berak?
Tak, bukan. Aku dah nak parking kereta semua nak angkat barang lagi.
Ah.
뭐야, 제혁 brother already turn off.
Off? Oh,
Yeah.
oh, your girlfriend turned off?
제혁 brother. I want to invite 제혁 brother, but he.
Oh, Jayok brother.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Oh my god. Yang mana Yadong? Tak ada kan?
야동 어디서? Okay.
Sabar jap. Ni
야동 is my not girlfriend. Hello.
Yadong! This is my girlfriend.
Oh my god, finally!
Hello, Yadong.
Wow!
Hello, Yadong.
Jen?
Hi.
My name is Yadom Tugi.
My name is Zan.
Jen. I'm
Jen.
before I'm my first wife.
Huh?
Huh?
What? Again, pardon? Again, pardon? What? Again?
Best
Hey, you-
friend.
Oh, best friend. Not wife, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am mad if you are the first one. I am mad. Very mad.
그냥
Yadong scared.
Ah,
Yadong scared.
jangan main-main, Yadong.
Yadong, where's your boyfriend?
my boyfriend. 자기야.
Jaden, where's your girlfriend?
일로 와봐 자기야.
자기야.
Oh, dah semua Zakia ni.
Jen, my
뭐야?
oh shit.
Oh, ya Allah. Ya Allah, itu. Ya Allah, astagfirullah.
안돼 가려야 돼.
하람.
Haram.
Ya, haram. Ya, betul. Pandai pula dia. Haram, yes.
Hello.
Ah.
고객님 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo, everything. Everyone.
Jen.
It's my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Hi.
God.
나만 없어.
Coupling.
You guys give trauma to me.
Yes.
야돔 every day. 야돔 where is my coupling?
Ma'am, mana ma'am?
Ah?
Kau tak
Aku tak
pakai?
boleh tunjuk tangan.
Oh,
Tangan
ya,
aku
ya.
kala dengan shade Lain beza sangat. Kamu tunjuk terkejut orang.
Oh, Jaden.
Ada.
Oh,
Oh, that's your girlfriend. Jaden, you
Yeah.
want Wahida?
Huh?
You want Wahida?
Wahida.
Wahida,
Yeah.
one of my fans, and she really, really likes you. And I think both of you switch together.
Wahida?
why
Wahida.
the slim body?
Hey.
Because Jaden like
Yeah.
Wahida bedi. Wahida is so bedi.
Yeah, Betty.
Okay, up to you, Jaden. You choose.
Yes.
Wahida, he's moderator.
She
Come on,
also
catch it.
looking. She also looking for a boyfriend.
Oh, really? Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank
Yadum,
you.
Yadum.
Mm.
You are so beautiful.
I know. Thank you.
Comel. Comel.
Thank you. Oh my God, but then you know,
Huh?
no, nothing.
Why? Ikmal, why? Ikmal, Bo.
You know Tori and Elsa?
Elsa?
We very best friend. Ikamal, Elsa, Tori, Yadom is very best friend.
Oh, I see.
Yadum,
Only
you
best
better
friend,
watch
right?
out. You better watch out, Yadum. Or I will bring it on, Safa. Bring it on. You better watch out.
Yeah, best friend.
야, 좀 그만해야 될 것 같은데.
Azan,
그거 그만해야 될 것 같아.
cerita dia macam ni. Waktu sebelum ni, Yadum ni dia jadi aku punya macam tumbal. Tahu tumbal?
Tahu.
Macam
Where are you now, you guys? Udia, where?
Gundik.
Gundik-gundik situ lah.
Ajar tu gundik kau orang Korea.
Anyone English,
Yelah, apa pun
English.
international. Oh, no. 아니, 장난이야, 장난. 장난이야.
Okay.
Ah,
Punishment? No.
No punishment.
Oh.
It's okay.
No.
Yadom, what's with 19? 19 score. What? 19. 이게 뭐야, 이게.
아니야,
이게
이거
뭐야,
아니야, 이거 now ragging.
레깅.
Too much ragging.
Oh, legging.
Ragging.
Legging. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
how can do this?
Okay, how can you do?
Yeah, like that.
Teach me. 어떻게 했어?
It's okay. You can't do that. Oh, Yadom. Oh my God.
Why?
You look like Gamat. You know Gamat?
Gaman warti.
Aku rasa mem tak boleh buat apa dah tu. Hazan dia tak sabar nak bercerita je sebenarnya tu.
Yeah.
I need popcorn now, 진짜.
It's okay.
But Jen, I can change it. Your
오.
Yeah.
Macam tu je reaction kau
Aku
Dia nak
Aku
buat
kalau luar negara sikit aku dah tak kelakar dah.
Jaden.
It's
It's okay.
Why?
It's okay.
Mal,
Ya.
aku ni buat lawak dengan orang-orang duduk KL pun orang KL tak faham. Ni kawan Korea lagi lah dia tak faham lawak aku.
wow,
Brilliant.
근데 진짜 Jen, your makeup
Yeah.
is nice.
Huh?
Makeup.
So
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
I have my Mua, makeup artist,
Really?
makeup for me. I don't know how to make up. I don't know how to do makeup.
So beautiful.
Okay. Jen, without makeup also beautiful. With makeup, like more beautiful. You know. It's okay.
Really so sweet. Oh my god.
Okay. Harzan punya nama Korea Jane. Why Yadom? Gilwan never tell you that.
Kiran say Yadom is always pig.
Always
Sweet
go.
from our life.
Aku rasa Ikmal ni dah banyak kena seranah dengan diorang ni. Dah banyak dia sentuh seranah.
My girlfriend only 60 kilogram everyone.
How don't say that?
Kasih
no.
kilogram only.
45,
Ah,
45.
yes, only.
야,
45.
너
Nothing
다이어트 해야겠다.
Weh, kau tengok.
45. 그래.
Dia bergaduh bab berat badan weh.
야, 너
Dia
나
tak tahu
혼자로
aku
해.
berat macam
괜찮아,
mana.
그거. 나 혼자로 해.
Dia belum tahu Yodam kali 2 tu berat aku.
Yadom bukan Yoda.
Yodam. Yadom.
Yadom.
Oh, Yadom. Sorry, Yadom.
Wait.
I'm so sorry. I forgot. I got
You done.
I got a little confused. Sorry, Yodam.
She called me
Yadom.
Yodam.
Yadom.
야돔.
Yadom.
야돔.
Okay, Yadom, my love. Okay.
Oh my god,
Yadom.
Yadom.
Okay, I have a question. Who first love? Ikamar first love Jen, and then Jen first love Ikamar.
이까말. I know.
Ikamar. Me.
Yesterday I saw the video, all video.
Oh, really?
이까말. Yes.
Oh, Ikamar, why?
Ikmal start first.
Oh.
Hey, you know, 도기?
Mm-hmm.
이까말 프로포즈.
Already? 이건 프로포즈? Really?
It's okay. I need to go. I need to do something else. Thank you so much, guys. Later we meet. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye Yodam.
Thank you so much, thank
Yadom.
you.
Bye bye Yadom.
Thank you.
Bye bye Yadom.
Dia dah nak korek. Dia dah nak mula korek tu bahaya. Dia aku tak kisah. Dia Melayu ke, dia Korea